Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here at Greasy Boy Customs. If you remember a while back, we were working on this beautiful Cougar that used to be green and now is blue. And one of the things that we did was we did a headlight conversion from the vacuum to electric. We used a kit from Dixter's Smarty Pants. And as you can see, the kit's already failed. We had a little bit of problems out of it, and the fact that it only opened the headlight buckets up that far and we couldn't get them adjusted anymore proved to be a problem. Contacted the manufacturer and they said that's how far theirs open. So as you can imagine, me and the customer were both kind of frustrated, so we made an improvement. We got the nice kit from West Coast Cougars, and this is their one with their new updated motors. These use Mazda Miata motors from what I understand, so it's supposed to be smoother operation. Not only does the kit look nicer, the wiring is going to be way easier, almost plug and play. There's only a couple things you're going to have to modify. So we're going to go ahead and get these old actuators out of here and get the new ones on, see how it goes. Well, we've got to start by removing all of the previous stuff. We got our headlights unplugged, get these old actuators out of here. And you can see these linear actuators. They were adjustable. That was a nice thing. But the driver's side one is completely died. It's not working at all. And I also ran this relay unit right here, whereas we're not going to have that anymore. We're going to have this nice harness that we have to plug in. So we're going to finish removing all this junk, get it all out, and then we'll keep going from there. The other kit, you do have to take some stuff out. You do have to take that grill piece out, the center piece, so you can pull the assembly out of the way. And then if you look over here, you can see that it mounts on the passenger side with 2 bolts. You have a 3rd bolt you have to drill. You do not have to do this on the driver's side. And these, instead of moving back and forth, they actually operate in a circular pattern and come back around just like a windshield wiper motor. Wiring looks like it's going to be pretty easy, so we're going to go ahead and get the headlight bucket mounted back in there and get this connected like we have on the other side over here. You can see it's connected by a speed clip right there and pops in. Get it wired up. This kit installed pretty easy. I have no complaints about it. Everything fit nice. Goes into the existing hole for your pivot bracket there. Have a manual override so you can turn this and crank your headlight buckets up and down if you need to. Just one inline fuse right here that connects to the power side of your solenoid. Easy. All the wiring plugs in right down there where your headlight connectors and your turn signal connectors are. And then, just run your loom over to your motor, connect it, zip tie everything up nice and neat, get everything adjusted. Let's try it out. There's 2 particular positives I want to mention about this kit. The first being that you get to get rid of these stupid springs right here. You don't need them anymore. They're obsolete. Done. The other nice thing is you don't have these limited linear actuators running everything. These can only travel straight in and out. The adjustment is limited, and the operation was not nearly as nice, and it wasn't nearly as easy to wire these ones up. The West Coast Cougar kit that they sell is far superior and definitely worth the money. So I'll leave a link in the bio for the kit that we installed. Check it out for yourself, and I'm sure you'll be a lot happier with this kit than the other ones out there on the market.